Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode with this cool amazing product right here in my hand, if you can see. Basically what it is a screen protector, and it's by a brand right here on top. But first thing first, let me actually open up the product to show you guys what it actually looks like and what comes out of the package first. So when we first open the product itself, this is basically what it looks like inside, if you can see. Check out this part right here. You guys can see that they have the little warranty card here. They have a little installation card right here. And then they have some wet wipes right here that includes like the cloth and I guess like the little dust tape that you can actually use to apply the product correctly. And then they provide you guys this little accessory that you can use to apply on the screen protector correctly every single time. And then right here we have the two glass screen protectors that they provide us right here. So that's definitely really cool. It doesn't have like the full coverage for even the camera itself. As you can see, the camera part will be open. So if you guys want something like this where actually it has that little opening right here that won't block the camera, then you guys can get this one. But if you guys do end up getting like a tempered glass one that for full coverage, that one still works just as good and it won't really cover up the camera quality really that much. The glass material definitely feels really nice. So let me actually apply this on and show you guys what it actually looks like and how to set it up. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. So first thing you guys want to do obviously is to get the wet wipes out, so you can use this to wipe it. So we got the wet wipes right here, we got the cloth right here, and the dust absorber that you can use to absorb any of the dust that sticks onto the actual screen on the iPhone. Alright, so we got the wet wipes right here. You can see there's a lot of dust particles right here that you need to wipe off, clean it off. Alright, that should be good. Next, you guys want to use this dry cloth right here, the cleaning cloth, to wipe it down. It's best for you guys to wipe it down one motion like this. That way none of the dust or whatever can stick onto the screen protector itself. Just like that, and that should be fine. So next you guys want to put this one on right here. Just like that. Make sure it fits. And then you guys want to use your dust absorber right here. You guys can use the big one or small one. So just to be safe, I do recommend getting like the bigger one right here for the stickers to actually remove any of the dust. So that way you can cover more of the spaces and everything, so you can actually remove more of the actual dust if there is any before applying it on. And sometimes there might be dust on the actual glass screen protector as well, so you guys want to just use it to like stick off any if there is any. Make sure it fits correctly and let it go down, going one direction, going down like this, and then slowly let go. You guys can see. So if you guys do it correctly, you should be able to have a perfect fit if you guys can like that. And then you can fix any of the leftovers right here. So there you go, you can see it's perfect fit. There's no bubbles or anything. Doesn't have any protection for the actual camera itself, but it has the opening, so that way you can have the highest quality of the camera quality and the speaker on the part right here for the speaker. So the product itself is scratch resistant, so if you guys do scratch or anything, there shouldn't be any scratches. Pretty high quality glass and everything. So let's turn it on and see what it looks like. Alright, so there you guys have it. So this is basically what it looks like once you guys apply it on correctly. Pretty high quality and everything. You guys can't really tell that there's a screen protector if you guys look from far away. But if you guys are looking from really up close, you guys can kind of see a little bit sticking out right here. But that's basically the overall product itself. You can see it's super easy to apply and everything. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that it's really easy to kind of apply it on. All you guys really have to do is put this part onto the actual phone itself. After you guys wipe it down obviously. So you guys want to make sure you guys wipe down your phone with the little wet wipes and the cloth and then the little dust absorber. And then you guys can just put this part on and then apply the actual glass screen protector on. One thing that I do recommend is that you should definitely use the little dust tape to like absorb the dust away, because there's a few times where I've done it where it actually still has the bubble, and the reason why it has a bubble is because of the dust that sticks onto the actual phone or the glass screen protector itself. So I just want to make sure you guys remove any of the dust first before applying on, or else you guys will definitely get like a bubble. So for this glass screen protector, it is anti-shatter and also scratch resistant, so you guys don't have to worry about it getting cracked, or if it does get cracked, at least that glass screen protector will get cracked and not your actual glass on your phone itself. But if you guys do end up getting like the brand new iPhone 12 phone, then you shouldn't have that issue because the whole ceramic shield itself is actually pretty durable as well. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we do a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is pretty worth it if you guys want one, need one of these. It's always nice to get a case or a glass screen protector, or even both, so that way you can actually protect your phone from getting scratches, dents, or anything that can actually harm or damage the product itself on your phone. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have used one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have